Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2019 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 4MATIC. This has a black exterior with a black interior. Sunroof, blind spot assist, 4MATIC, Mercedes-Benz, and GLC 300 badging, power opening and closing trunk, this vehicle is equipped with the premium Burmester sound system throughout, rear seats, sunroof again, and a quick peek up front. Memory seats, heated seats, the driver's seat controls here, driver door controls, driver seat, steering wheel. Mileage in this vehicle is 55,446, and we have a push-button ignition, Mercedes-Benz navigation system, radio, and backup camera, shifter, climate control, and center console. Now, if you'd like to see any more photos or get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.